Hi. Okay, welcome. So, wherever you are, just get comfortable. If you can, sit with your feet on the floor or your legs crossed, that's fine. And if you are also comfortable to just close your eyes. If not, you can just gaze softly about a foot in front of you. And take a moment and just settle in. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down. And pull the crown of your head up towards the ceiling, the very back part of your skull, and just reach it up towards the ceiling so you can really feel the stretch in your shoulders and in your neck. And then just relax. Come so that you're sitting straight but not rigid and comfortably. All right. Now, begin to focus on all the sounds in your environment. We're here to tune in, not tune out. So just begin to hear whatever you can and let yourself observe it without needing to follow or change it. Then gently shift your attention to your body in your chair, feeling your feet on the ground, your bum and your back against the seat, the position of your hands, and the posture of your shoulders. Maybe even feeling the air on your skin. Just letting your mind come to its senses, in a way, literally. Just noticing what you feel in where you are. And then again, shifting your attention and noticing where your body rises and falls as you breathe in and out. You don't need to change your breath. Just notice it. It's as though you're observing a wave on the shore, ebbing and flowing, moving in and moving out. And perhaps noticing what happens to the breath as you do pay attention to it. Now you can just let your breathing fall into its natural rhythm. And if you're comfortable doing so, bring your attention either to your heart center or to the place right between your eyes in the middle of your forehead. And I'd like you, if you can, to imagine that you are walking through a beautiful park. Walking or moving through a beautiful park. Now, this park can be anywhere you like. It might be in the middle of the city, or by the water, or in the mountains. Anywhere that is comfortable and beautiful to you. And as you move through this space, begin to look around. What would you see here? And then perhaps begin even to notice, what do you hear here? What kind of sounds would be common in this space? See if you can bring them into your awareness. What might you smell? And of course, what would you feel? Just bringing all of your senses into this place, opening up that experience. And then imagine as you move, seeing, hearing, smelling, feeling, all that you do, that you notice a bench up ahead. And on this bench is a person. For some reason, you are very drawn to this person, and you begin to move towards them. And as you get closer, you realize that the person is you. This is the wisest, oldest, highest, most optimal version of yourself, sitting here upon this bench in this beautiful park. And as you approach them and stand before them, you look into their eyes for a moment. What do you see? And then this oldest, wisest, highest, most optimal version of you asks you to sit down. And so you sit. And you ask of them this question: what will matter most in terms of what I do and who I am to become you, to become this oldest, wisest, highest version of myself? What will matter most in what I do and in who I am? What will matter most? And now, just listen. Become aware of any thoughts that come to mind first, any words that drop into your awareness, or just feelings, images. Just allow. And then as this beautiful version of yourself comes to the end of their message, you look at them with gratitude, thanking them as you will. And as you sit there next to them, letting their message come deeply into you, you notice that they become a part of you, are a part of you, and disappear from the bench. And then carrying their message and them, this oldest, wisest, highest, most optimal version of yourself with you, you rise and you continue on your journey, remembering holding to what you've heard. And very softly, very gently, become aware once again of the rhythm of your own breath. It's rising and falling. Become aware of your body in the chair, your feet upon the floor. grounding your space, you're grounding yourself in the here and now, in this space, hearing the sounds of your own environment. Returning to the here and now, fuller, having brought with you something of meaning to move forward with. And when you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Have a beautiful day.